you might see here, as you might see from the title, I bought a rooftop tent. Buongiorno, dunque. So I think this is the roof rack where we're gonna put the tent on. Let's open this first. So this is really great. Warning, comply with roof load capacity. Esploderà tutta la baracca. Grazie per aver scelto qui. Let's open the other packages too and see if what we got there. Then these I made myself.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Let me show you how I made them.
So I'm currently working with these and trying to use them as spacer because, as you can see, the car isn't straight, it goes down. I'm adjusting it so I can put it right here and level the whole thing out. When I put the tent up, it's just gonna sit flat on it. And so far, pretty good. Okay, now I'm checking if the whole thing is level, and it looks like it, because that's where the whole thing is gonna go. So I'm supposed to put the rack up here and then the tent, but let's open those first. Well, here it's pretty self-explanatory. It's supposed to be the ladder. That's a lot of screws. Now off with the big guy. Another box. So now that we have all this big mess, we need to figure it out how to fit that foot rack on the Jeep. I went on and opened up the tent, and I think I finally found all the screws and stuff that I needed to mount it on the roof rack. Vediamo che si fa. Qui c'ho anche questi, cos'è? Non lo so. Dunque, ecco qui le nostre vitine, ora le andiamo a stringere. Okay, so I think I finally figured out how to fit the roof rack on top of the truck with the type of feet, let's call them feet, that I have made. I still don't know what I'm gonna use these for, or if I'm supposed to use them, really. Tent is basically done, I just needed to put on roof rack. So this is gonna be quite tricky because I need to basically put them here inside, and then once they're inside, I need to screw them with this screw like this. But I need to do that on top of the truck. abbiamo un bel problemino. We got a problem, boys. So basically, I bolted the first one there. But here, as you can see, the rack, it's too short. Troppo stretta. So it's supposed to go inside here, but the hole doesn't reach. And there you have it, fully mounted and ready to go rooftop tent. Plus, when you have this view
And this super dirty lens, yeah, whatever.
endless. I didn't film putting up the tent. I needed to make some little adjustments to have it fit on the roof rack right, so let's go see that. So I don't know if you can see it, but basically this guy was originally here. Cut it from here, weld it back here so I could attach the roof rack onto these two pieces that I've made. And then I also made these hooks, I don't know how to call them, to hook the tent to the roof rack, because the one that I originally got from the dealer just couldn't fit the roof rack. So I made this myself. So I basically made 4 of those hooks, 2 on each side. Yeah, that's why it took a lot of time. The good thing is that now it's running perfect. I didn't have any issues yet. So let me know if you guys want to see more of the tent, more videos about it, what's inside, and how it works. So yeah, make sure to leave a like if you want to see more stuff, more content about the tent. Make sure to subscribe. Also working on the new trail now, so stay tuned for that too. Peace out.